What's good, YouTube? Your boy Bossco back again with another sneaker review. As you see, I am here inside Foot Locker about to check out these Kyries that I've been wanting to get for a long time. And we're going to see what else they have here. If you see anything you like, man, make sure you smash the like button, share the video, and of course, subscribe to the channel if you are new. The giveaway is about to start, man. Stay tuned. Let's smash that like button. Try to get it to like 100 likes, you dig? Okay, so we are at the Foot Locker once again in the Glendale Galleria. This colorway of the Air Max 270 is pretty dope. Let me know if you guys agree. Make a comment on these bad boys. $120 price point. I'm on the kids side, so maybe that's why. I don't know if that's the normal price for Air Max 270s. I assume it's something more than that though. And then of course they got the 97 for the kids, the gold boys. Did you guys cop this or not? This was something that a lot of people were going after. Did you guys get this shoe or did you guys pass on it? Man, fire. For kids, they are, oh, $150 still. Of course, we've seen those bad boys. And these ones, which I'm surprised of, but these ones just dropped. I want to know y'all feedback on these ones, the Kyrie 4 Tiffany grade school sizes only. I did a review on this channel. If you guys want to check it out, make sure you do. And let me know you saw this video too, you dig? Let's go and see what else they got here in the kids section. These bad boys. These colors are not bad. The colorway for this is cool. I feel like this is more of a girl colorway, women's size. Or maybe it's just the kids. 130. Up tempo. Doesn't say grade school or girls or women's. Very nice though. What do you guys think about this colorway? Okay, so what are these? Have you guys seen these before? I have not. Air Screen, 110 retail. What do you guys think about these in the comment section below? Not too bad. Definitely some trainer stuff. Some Nike trainer or Nike trunner, some runners, cross training, exactly. What do you guys think about this? They got this colorway. Let me see. Boom, they got this colorway. And then this one. This one kind of pops a little bit more. I guess the color tone, that like highlight yellow with the pink and the black suede. Out of these two ones, which one would you guys go with more? I don't know, man. This one stands out. I like that Nike Air on the back. That's pretty crisp. You know, I like wild color shoes sometime, man. And actually, out of these two colorways, man, I'll probably go with this one first. You guys agree? Let me know what y'all think in the comment section below. These are pretty fly for 110 price point, same price point as the Paul Georges. Never seen these before though. If you have, inform me a little bit about them. Is this a new model? I think this is something brand new Nike coming back with. Killing the game. Telling y'all Nike's doing their thing. Seen sandals. I've seen some sandals and some Air Max TNs in this colorway. Never really the Huarache. I don't think. If I have, let me know in the comment section below. But these Huaraches are pretty dope. Gum bottom. I don't think I'll get them because it's too much white, but the colorway's pretty dope. Here's the Air Max TNs that go just with those Huaraches we just saw. Let me know what y'all think about this colorway. I'm not sure what this series is called. I'll find out maybe in the description area. But these Air Max TNs, they got sandals this colorway, Air Max TNs this colorway, these Huaraches right here colorway. I think they got some apparel too. If this is something you guys are going after, let me know in the comment section below, of course. And hopefully y'all are having a great day, man, wherever you are in the universe. You know, that's what I like to say, but I really mean that. Hopefully everybody's enjoying their life, enjoying their time. Summertime's right around the corner. Or no, actually, summertime is here, y'all. We've seen these before. These TNs just pop, man. They stick out. They stick out. You can see them anywhere, daytime, nighttime. Here goes the sandals that go with those Huaraches that match the TNs. It's like a South Beach colorway. Let me know what y'all think. It's like the graffiti series for the Air Force One. They got them in a lot of different colorways. Tell me your thoughts on these. $100 price point also. We got some more Air Force Ones, high top, with the graffiti series on the bottom. It's pretty dope, man. Look like some marble effect or spray paint. Got them in 2 colorways right here. What do you guys think about these graffiti series? Look just like the Rashids that just dropped, but just a different colorway. Very dope shoe. What's the price point on these? $110. Not bad. For those of you who don't mind all white shoes, this might be the shoe for y'all. Got some Huaraches here. This colorway is a lot different from what we've seen before. What do you guys think about this in the comment section? Like an all red, it's like a fire red. Very dope. Leather's pretty clean on here. Huaraches, man, you can't go wrong with those bad boys. 110 price point also. If you guys like Huaraches or other shoes, let me know in the comment section something else you guys want me to do reviews on my channel. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to bring you guys content of all different shoes and different colorways. So just let me know in the comment section, you dig? They got the dad shoes on deck. Are y'all a fan of this shoe right here? Maybe the colorway is something you might like. Let me see what that price point is right there. Oh, only $65. Air Monarchs. What do y'all think about these? Did y'all cop these? They're trying to bring the dad shoes back. I'm not too a fan of them myself, but let me know what you guys think. This white, black, red colorway is not bad though, but I don't know. Look at the shoes from the top down. Kind of a wide shoe, but the quality they use on them is not bad at all. Tell me your thoughts on these Huaraches, like a little New York Knicks colorway. Very subtle, too much white for me, but the colorway is pretty clean. I like the navy blue and the orange hints. I just wish it wasn't so much white on it. Hard for me to keep these clean. Let me know if you agree. We got these in a different colorway, like the green with the blue, tan. Still an all white shoe though, so not my cup of tea, but the colorways on this one's not bad. The 2 colorways, the one here and the one behind it, I would probably go with maybe this one, only because it has a little more coloring going on, you dig? Tell me your thoughts. Share it with me in the comment section. We got them other Huaraches up there that I'm not going to even try to reach. I've also not seen these 97s right here with like the little cheetah print in there, or tiger print. What is that? Let me know your thoughts and opinions on these. They got the 3M on it too, so it still pops. Like, you know, I like that 3M. Cortez, for you guys who like Cortez, I think these just dropped. Isn't one blue and the left side is like red, or right? Left side's red, blue, other side is blue, isn't it? Or am I wrong about these? Have y'all seen these 95s? Not bad. 3M hints going up and down there. Not a bad shoe. Colorway's pretty subtle. Definitely a summertime colorway. Got the 3M on the back and a 3M by the laces. Give me your honest opinions on these. Would you guys cop these or pass on them? Got that blue Air Max. Pretty fly. Another colorway. You know, whenever I see that navy blue and yellow, I always refer that to Michigan. Okay, I like that 3M. That's like a blue reflective 3M. Yeah, we've seen these on those other shoes, those EQTs, if you guys watched the last Foot Locker show I did. Very nice though. Out of these colorways, do you have a favorite? Let me know, of course. Let me know all the information in the comment section. Fire shoes going on here. And then we got these, which I think just recently dropped. This is a clean, look at that. Air Max. Oh, Air Force 270s. Right. My bad. These are clean, bro. 160 price point. These are fire. Let me know if you guys agree with that. I'm gonna show you guys another colorway that just dropped in these. I'm starting to like these 270s, these Air Force 270s. The Air Max 270s, the Air Force 270s. Very, very dope shoes. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section. I might have to like try these at the house and do a review. If you guys like that, let me know. These bad boys are pretty fire. I like the color pattern, the colorway. Those Air Force 270s. This was the other colorway I told you I was gonna show you guys. Got like some 3M hints on there too somewhere, I think, or at least it was looking like it. Maybe not. Got a stripe, zebra striped almost strap across it. Tell me your honest thoughts about these Air Force 270s. You guys like the 240s? Do you guys like these 270s? To me, in hand, they kind of feel heavy. They feel like they might be boats. But then you got the Air Max right there, so that bubble might make these shoes really comfortable and not as heavy as they seem. I don't know. Let me know your thoughts on these. Let me know what you guys think about these Zoom Pegasus. The Pegasus 35s. What do you guys think about the Pegasus? It looks like that's almost a 3M check, but it's not. Very fiery colorway. Let me know what you guys think about the Pegasus. They have been popping up lately, man. A lot of people have been liking them. I've been hearing good things about them, and now I see them for the first time in person. It's a whole prime knit upper. It's a very light shoe for a 120 price point. I think Nike has a lot of good shoes at the 120 price point. I think I might have to try to do a video about that. 120 price points at Foot Locker. What do you guys think about that? But if you guys want that, let me know in the comment section also, and then tell me what you guys think about these Pegasus. Classic Ultra Boost, these just dropped, I believe. We've seen it at a few Foot Lockers. Some of them have only what's that? 180 for these. 180 for these. But look at that, man. I think I have to do a review on these. I think these are really fly. I would love it to have a black boost, but you know, the white boost is not bad, man. It's not bad at all. And with all the cleaners out nowadays, it's not too hard to keep your boost clean. But it is hard to keep the whole shoe if it's all white clean, in my eyes, right? Got the parlay still here chilling out. That's a very dope colorway too. What do you guys think about the parlays? Have anybody picked these up? I know Ultra Boost is going through it. Some people like them, some people don't. Some people falling off from them, but if you guys are still copping Ultra Boost, let me know. Let me know. I'm not too much a fan of these I-5923s for some reason. I don't know, but I think that boost on it is something that would make a lot of people try the shoe out because it's the whole midsole is boost. This colorway is not too bad either. What do you guys think about that in the comment section? You dig? Some laceless. I'm over here on the women's side. Got the laceless Air Vapor Maxes. What do you guys think about that with the little bedazzled shiny Nike check right there? Got the yellow and clear bottoms. What do you guys think about these in the comment section? Not a bad colorway. Nothing too much new over here for the ladies. Of course, you guys know, for the ladies out there who do watch and who are sneakerheads, I try to get you guys content too. Show you guys some shoes that you guys might want to cop. Or even for the guys who want to cop for their girls or maybe little sisters, little cousins. If they got some new heat for the women, I definitely will highlight the shoe. We're going to look around, man. I got a few stores in here. I'm sure I'll find some stuff for y'all too that you might have not seen before. Okay, they got some of these Pegasus. Are these Pegasus also? Yeah, what about these ladies, these Pegasus? Fellas, what do you guys think about this for your girl? Got the little shiny, yeah, that's nice. The little silver Nike check on the side, all prime knit upper. Very, very light shoe. Got the 35 on the back. It's hitting pretty hard. Hitting pretty hard. A 120 price point also. Pegasus for the girls. This is a Presto I think looks good on a girl's foot. Not bad at all. Got a 3M little hint right there on the pull tag on the back. That Nike Air is kind of like, I don't know, tripping with your eyes. Tell me your honest opinions on these Prestos. Everybody. Very nice though, not bad. Like a salmon colorway almost. Like rainbow colorway, like changes colors into the fabric. That's hard. These Air Forces are not bad. We've seen them in another colorway. Look at that red leather. Not too bad on the Air Forces. For those of you who are Air Force fans, tell me what y'all think about these right here. 110. Not too bad though. Okay, I like this little suede on the back. It's not a bad shoe, not a bad colorway. Just not for me. But that don't mean nothing. What do you guys think? I was in here. But look at the shoe. It's just hard, right? 140 price point. What are these little soldiers? The 12s. Tell me what y'all think about these. Did you guys cop these or not? They actually have a return. Look at the suede. Look at the leather on here, man. These clays are hitting, boy. What do you guys think about these? I didn't do a review on these because I wasn't able really to cop them. But is this a shoe that you guys passed on? Did you guys try to go after this one or not? It's clean, man. The suede on it is clean. The suede is clean. The leather, the tumble leather they use is excellent. It's a very good shoe. Let me know what y'all think about these in the comment section. And if you guys cop them, let me know.
More minimum? Oh,
yeah.
So, I mean, yeah, the lowest could be, I think, like 10 bucks.
10 bucks? Okay, okay. Okay. So we're gonna wrap this video up. I'm here at the finish line inside the Glendale Galleria. You guys have seen some stuff from Foot Locker, maybe a little bit of Chic as well as Finish Line. I finished off here, man. I'm about to get back to the house. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. If you can hear me, smash the like button, share the video. Of course, subscribe to the channel if you are new. Hit that notification bell, man. I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day wherever you are in the universe. Peace.